And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube. And this is Forex Trading Course 101. Everybody, remember, trading is a learnable skill. Happy Monday! Happy Monday! Trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way the three pillars, right? Pillar number one is the market. We are trying to do this with the modules, basic module, beginner, intermediate. Pillar number two, once we understand how the market works, then and only then we are going to build a strategy. And we are going to learn about the strategy in the advanced module. And the third pillar, the most important one, is the trader. More about the trader in the Forex course 202, everybody. Remember, if this is you, if you are not receiving webinar notifications from JForex platform, everybody, please send an email to research@dukascopy.com and write that you are not receiving webinar notifications from the JForex platform. Moving forward, what the champion beginner traders say. Champion beginner traders always say, I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And of course, this is a quote from Mark Douglas, everybody. And my 50 cents on the left. When the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. Oh, what is the right thing to do? Follow the concepts about the market. Follow the rules of your strategy. Have a pre-trade checklist, everybody. And remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. The webinars are not trading or investment advice, especially in the Forex trading week, everybody. Okay, the webinars are for educational purposes only. Either way, don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. For homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView. So we are in the Forex Trading Week part 4, everybody. What are we trying to do here? We are trying to implement what we have learned so far in the live market, okay? This is from past week, everybody. Canada JPY. We are losing a little bit, so let's find the trades, right? Let's find the trades. Canada JPY. Let me see. This was from the lesson about the counter trend line breaks. So I don't have anything not here. Let me see out this one too. All of them. Okay, we have one. GBP USD. We have nobody in here. Let's go on the daily maybe. Let's find the trader, shall we? Hedge fund trader Olufemi, hedge fund trader Lucas, USD Cat, Samantha, very good. Euro dollar, no, Alexia, I believe it went down, right? Shorting Alexia, we found Alexia, very good. AUD Cat, nobody. AUD USD, everybody, again nobody. And EuroCAD, Lucas long on consolidation. EuroCAD out, EuroCAD out. NZDCHF out too. Exit. So there you go, everybody. Come on, how can I do this? Like this? So we have USD CAD long, moving forward, EuroCAD short. Okay, EuroCAD short, right? Somebody shorting EuroCAD. Clone and shorting the market, maybe on the daily. And everybody, this was the homework. Hello James, how are you? This is from the daily. Come to class with your charts analyzed. Okay, everybody? So Euro CAD, we're going to open in here, everybody. Canada JPY, GBP USD, USD CAD, Euro dollar. Okay, everybody, type in the chat a currency pair that you want to trade and the time frame, right? We have Canada JPY, GBP USD, USD CAD, Euro dollar. We have GBP JPY. We have CHF JPY. We have Euro GBP, Euro GBP. Okay, everybody, here is the question. How are you going to make pips and money on a currency pair of your choice and the time frame of your choice, everybody? Make sense? Yes, any currency pair of your choice. Not, please don't give me exotics, you know, no Turkish lira, no Russian ruble, okay? No Brazilian real, no, sir, okay? The majors, okay? Euro pairs, GBP pairs, USD pairs, okay? JPY pairs. Oh, sure, why not? USD JPY, right? USD JPY. USD JPY. Hello Orkun, how are you? Yes, long time no see. How are you? Hedge fund trader Orkun, how are you going to make pips and money on, everybody, clone chart, Euro New Zealand, everybody, Euro New Zealand 2-hour chart. Everybody, how are you going to make pips and money on Euro New Zealand? Major ruble, no ruble. No ruble, okay? Everybody, type in the chat currency pairs that you are going to trade, right? Yeah. Major ruble, exactly. Euro New Zealand, everybody, USD JPY, Euro GBP, CHF JPY. Okay, let's talk about CHF JPY, right? Everybody, how are you going to make pips and money on CHF JPY 4-hour chart? Or the weekly chart, right? Or the weekly chart. Canada JPY. Olufemi long on the uptrend. Went down, right? Still in the trade, Oh, Canada JPY, GBP USD, USD CAD. Everybody, we have Canadian news on Friday, right? So hedge fund trader Samantha, if you are here, and hedge fund trader Alex, if you are here, what's the plan? What's the plan, everybody? What's the plan on USD CAD 4-hour chart? Because we have a news announcement on Friday. Gold, it's not a currency pair. Okay, Orkun. Gold, silver, not a currency pair. Currencies, everybody. The Forex market. See, everybody, what happens when you have your stop loss in the correct place? Everybody, you would still be in the game, right? Here or here, whatever may be the case. Here or here. Okay, everybody, this is an easy one, right? How are we going to make pips and money on USD CAD 4-hour chart? Remember what we're trying to do in the Forex trading week. We're trying to implement what we have learned so far. Can you give us an example, please? Okay, sure. So we go USD CAD, we go on the monthly chart, everybody. we are going to go on the monthly chart, not in here, clone, USD CAD. Remember everybody, you are going to do the same process on all time frames, doesn't matter, we have trades, okay. Number one, you go on the monthly and you are trying to establish the monthly bands. Make sense everybody? Okay, monthly bands, upper band, lower band, right? We have learned this from before. Hello Alex, how are you? Then you are trying from the monthly, weekly and daily, you are trying to find a pattern, right? And talking about USD CAD, this market so far it's locked in this consolidation. Make sense everybody? This is the pattern, one of them, yes sir, correct, this is one of them, right? This is the long term, okay? Then you go on the weekly and you are looking for different patterns. So you have the sideways movement everybody, you have consolidation as a pattern, right? Market hitting the same price level and reversing. And then you have the smaller ones, you have the small patterns, right? Like so far we have the short-term trend on the weekly and then we go on the daily, right? So on the daily we can find out even smaller patterns, right? So we have the market wave from the daily, extension, retracement, extension, high, and then we have here the retracement until down in here, okay, and then we have the short-term uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, which was broken, by the way, the market broke. So short-term we have this one, not confirmed yet, right? And talking about false breakouts, maybe so it's not confirmed yet, but most likely we have a short-term consolidation, the market-wide range, something like this. Yes, correct, not confirmed yet, it's not confirmed, it's not confirmed. So you have this one and then you have the high to low, low to high, 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 high to low, low to high. Okay everybody? And now if you want you can go on the 4-hour chart. We traded USD CAD, yes we did. You can go on the 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, and you enter the market everybody, but before doing this you must decide what pattern are you going to trade. Make sense? Okay everybody, Forex Trading Week Part 4, we are trying to implement what we have learned so far, talking about USD CAD. Now I need to decide what pattern I'm going to trade. If I choose to trade monthly, weekly consolidation, stop loss down in here. I'm going to buy the market, stop loss down in here. If I'm going to buy the market wave going long, stop loss up in here. If I'm going to buy the smaller consolidation or the smaller trends, then the stop loss is going to be more tight. Make sense everybody? And that being said, then you go on the 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, whatever might be the case, okay, according to the capital that you have. You cannot trade monthly, weekly charts with $100. Agreed everybody? Then you go on the 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 1-hour chart, 15-minute chart, whatever might be the case, and you enter the trade, and the stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Okay, everybody, this is what you should have learned so far. Oh, I'm new to the channel. Please, if you are new, if this is your first time with us, please go back to Dukascopy YouTube webinar page and start to watch basic module lesson number 1, what is market structure. Lesson number 2, highs and lows. What are highs and lows? How to determine highs and lows? How to identify and confirm a trend. The 3 trend lines that every currency pair and every time frame has. How trend lines work, what are trend lines, how to draw trend lines, how to trade market structure, how to trade the short-term trends, how to trade the short-term trends inside market structure, and so on and so on and so on. Okay? Hedge fund trader James, hedge fund trader Orkun, and hedge fund trader Alex. What currency pair do you want to trade and what time frame? There is no right or wrong. You have Canada JPY, GBP USD. We can open new charts. USD CAD still, Euro dollar. Okay, Euro dollar, right? Why not? Euro dollar. Euro dollar, everybody. Out, delete, 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 delete. Let's delete. Euro dollar, everybody, daily chart. How are you going to make pips and money? Or maybe weekly chart, right? To have a better visual. Everybody, Euro dollar weekly chart. How are you going to make pips and money on Euro dollar? Everybody, make sense? Okay, how are you going to make pips and money on Euro dollar? Alex, Canada JPY, what time frame? Euro dollar, a correct time to re-enter. Depending on what pattern are you looking at, Orkun. Okay, but Alex was first comes first is serve, everybody. Okay, Olufemi is long on the uptrend. This is Canada JPY daily chart. Yes, Canada JPY. Hedge fund trader James, hedge fund trader Orkun, and hedge fund trader Alex, and everybody else. How are you going to make pips and money on Canada JPY right now? Type in the chat, everybody. I want to go long on this and this time frame. This is the entry, this is the stop loss, this is the take profit. And the pattern, like in here, right? This is Olufemi long on the uptrend. So this was the entry, stop loss below the yellow. See, everybody, we have the stop loss and take profit. Olufemi goes 1 for 1. Type in the chat, everybody, how are you going to make pips and money trading Canada JPY? Somebody's asking, can I go on the smaller time frame? Yes, you can. Yes, everybody, the daily is just an example, makes sense? Type in the chat, Canada JPY example, Canada JPY short on the 1 hour chart, or Canada JPY long on the 15-minute chart, Canada JPY long on the daily, Canada JPY short on the 4, whatever may be the case, makes sense? Yes, the daily is just an example. And the same goes for all the currency pairs. You can type any currency pair that you want. Make sense, everybody? So, hedge fund trader Alex, type in the chat, please, long, short. Where is the stop loss? Where is the take profit? And what pattern are you trading? This is the market wave, right? On the daily. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Really, it should be like this one, right? Because it pushed higher. This was the extension, retracement extension. Long if it passes 92 with double confirmation. Right now, everybody, okay? No limit orders, no stop orders. Right now. Okay, everybody? We learned, everybody, from the previous week what is the best thing from the trading week. If you are correct on the pattern, everybody, let's do an exercise, right? So let's say that you have an uptrend, okay, and the market is somewhere in here, okay, or the market is somewhere in here, it doesn't really matter, okay, and this is of course the uptrend line, and you come to class and we are telling you how are you going to make pips and money right now, you know, right now, and you are thinking, well, I'm not going to enter right now because of this and this and that. And we learned that, everybody, you know, even if you enter, we are going to learn about timing. Even if you enter not at the best time, you know, let's say that you went long in here. Make sense? You went long in here. This was the class. You went long in here. Maybe not at the right time, we're going to learn about timing, but because you put the stop loss in the correct place, you are going to win anyway. Make sense, everybody? Freedom, how do you know? Because we are trading patterns. If you are trading an uptrend and you enter at the class, in the class, maybe not the best time to enter, but we are practicing that we are going to implement what we have learned so far. Even if you enter at the wrong time, if you are right on the pattern, not the time, if you're right on the pattern, you are going to win. Does this make sense to you, everybody? So don't be scared. You know, oh, I want to see the stochastic RSI and counter trendline break. All of this is good, but not necessary right now. Make sense, everybody? I went long on the 4 hour on the uptrend stop loss. Okay, very good. So we are trading, let's see, Canada JPY entry long, stop loss 86.994 and profit take 93.113. Submit. We are in the trade. Congratulations to you, hedge fund trader Alex. So we have two orders. One is from hedge fund trader Olufemi, the other one is from the hedge fund trader Alex. Okay. Long on the uptrend, so we are going to clone and we are going to write LX2, right? LX long on the uptrend. Yellow. Anybody else want to enter Canada JPY before we move to Canada JPY to Euro Dollar? Hedge fund trader Orkun is asking about Euro Dollar. Anybody else want to enter Canada JPY, everybody? Let's have everybody, don't take this too seriously, make sense? Yes, you can have some fun, right? Enjoy the trading part, everybody. Hopefully you are smart and you are on a demo account, right? Practice, everybody, practice. The Forex Trading Week Part 4 is for us to practice. Don't stay out of the market, I'm telling you. Somebody's typing not on YouTube but on the other streaming platform, but I'm scared. Welcome to the club. Everybody, believe me, some of you are scared. Believe me, we understand this. Make sense? We understand this because we've been there before. Make sense? I was scared too. Talking about 15 years ago, 20 years ago. And we are trying to help you, teaching you and trying to explain to everybody, you cannot learn how to swim until you jump into the swimming pool or the ocean or the river. Make sense? Everybody? I'm scared of the market. We understand you. Welcome to the club. But you cannot learn how to trade until you start trading. Make sense? But I'm scared. You know, you've been scared, you've been scared in jumping into the water too, Oh, teacher, I want to learn how to swim. Well, this is theory, right? Whatever, this is theory, You need to do this with the arms and you need to do this with the legs. But until you are on the dry floor, you are not going to learn how to swim. You need to jump into the water. Make sense, everybody? Or, oh, teach me how to ride the bicycle. We cannot ride the bicycle for you, everybody. Make sense? The beginner traders who are scared, you need to jump. Okay? Number one, everybody, you are on a demo account. Make sense? Alex, you're a beginner trader. Type in the chat, please. Are those exercises helping you as a beginner trader? Everybody, Alex and Olufemi, those two hedge fund traders are the most active ones in here. Don't be upset, everybody, or surprised if those two hedge fund traders are going to be in front of everybody else in 6 months' time. Make sense, everybody? Don't be surprised. Oh, why did you accept Alex into the advanced course and why didn't you accept me in the advanced course? Alex jumped into the swimming pool. Olufemi jumped in the swimming pool. Those guys know how to swim. I don't know how to enter euro dollar. Thank you very much. Everybody, so one more time, right? What we should have learned so far. Monthly chart. Thank you, Alex, for being honest. Monthly chart. Lower band, upper band. Patterns from the monthly chart. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement from the monthly. Alex says yes, thank you very much. Now we go on the weekly. On the weekly, it's most likely the same. Extension, retracement, okay, so those are the patterns. Now let's color code this in a little bit more transparent. Now let's go on the daily, right? From the daily we are going to zoom out, zoom in. Okay, it doesn't go. Back on the weekly. So from the weekly, right? From the weekly, extension, retracement. Okay, everybody? From the weekly. So far, projection, this would be the upper band somewhere, right? And clone. This would be the lower band of the potential consolidation. Make sense, everybody? We have the first high of the consolidation we have the first low of consolidation, we have the second high of consolidation. What we need is just the market to start doing higher highs, higher lows on the daily, and we have a confirmed consolidation. Just an example. Then we go on the daily. Remember what we did on USD CAD? We go on smaller time frames to check and trying to find different patterns that we are going to trade. So this was the uptrend line, not valid anymore, orange. Talking about downtrend lines, we learned this. This is the downtrend line, something like this. We have another downtrend line, a little bit more aggressive one, something like this. Everybody, this is from the daily. Now we are going to zoom in and we're going to connect highs and lows. High to low, low to high, 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 high to low, right? So we have a short-term downtrend. We did exactly the same on USD CAD, right? So monthly, weekly, daily, we need to choose what we are going to trade. Make sense, everybody? So you can say, well, I'm going to trade the short-term downtrend. I'm going to trade the short-term downtrend. Stop loss up in here, 1 per 2. You can say, I'm going to short the downtrend line from the daily. Entering here, stop loss above the downtrend line, 1 per 2. You can say, right now, at this very moment, I'm going to go long on consolidation that it's not confirmed yet. Stop loss down in here. Make sense, everybody? Stop loss down in here because of this low in here. See, everybody, there is no right or wrong. And then, if you want, you can go on the 2-hour chart, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, and you can check what is happening on the 2-hour chart, right? So on the 2-hour chart, do we have or don't we have a confirmed uptrend? Yes, Alex, correct. It's not confirmed yet. Everybody, we learned from the previous lessons. If this is your first time, please go back to Dukascopy YouTube webinar page and start to watch lesson number 1. We learned how to determine and confirm trends. Do we have an uptrend on the 2-hour chart? Yes or no? I think there is nothing to think. It's a yes or no question. Those rules are black and white, everybody, not subject to interpretation. Make sense? You're welcome. Thank you very much, everybody, for your time too. Never forget, we are looking for traders. Oh, is this a joke? No, it's not a joke. We are looking for traders. We have a few institutions who are desperate for new fresh blood, make sense? But you need to have some history, everybody. Yes, demo account too, demo account, it's perfectly cool. Okay, everybody? Do we have or don't we have a confirmed uptrend on the 2-hour chart? Yes or no? No, exactly. So can I go long on consolidation, everybody? Can I go long on consolidation if I don't have an uptrend confirmed from the 2-hour chart? Exactly. Now we can go on the 15-minute chart, right? 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Do we have minimum 2 highs and 2 lows, and the second high and the second low, it's a higher high or a higher low on the 15-minute chart to go long? Yes or no? Alex, I could enter on double bottom right now on consolidation. On what time frame? What time frame? Hedge fund trader Alex, what time frame? Everybody, do we have two lows and 2 highs when the second high it's a higher high and the second low it's a higher low? This would confirm the uptrend, and then we could go long on the short-term uptrend on the 15-minute chart. No, exactly, everybody. We don't have minimum 2 highs, 2 lows, right? Why not? Because this is not a high, and everybody, you need to pay attention. This is not a low. Make sense? And this is not a low either. Make sense? 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. Where you see double bottom, Alex? I'm sorry, but I'm not seeing double bottoms, Alex. Make sense? You know? Oh, those 2 candles. Well, let's check on the 1-hour chart, maybe. 1-hour chart, yes, sir. Well, I would not agree that this is double bottom, okay, because this is slightly lower, okay. In my opinion, fair enough. I would say those are not double bottom, those are still the downtrend. Anyways, everybody, then we can go on the 5-minute chart if you want and do the same. Make sense, everybody? 5-minute chart. Now the story is different. We have low to high, high to low, low to high, low to high, high to low, low to high. Make sense, everybody? And if you want, it's your decision. This is the uptrend line. Let's zoom in, everybody. We cannot break candle. Okay, it's cool. Okay, everybody. So hedge fund trader Orkun, hedge fund trader Alex, hedge fund trader James, tell me, are we up or down in euro dollar? Is euro dollar going up or is euro dollar going down? What is the correct answer? Freedom, can you repeat please? Yes, sir. Let's see how smart you are, everybody. Is euro dollar going up or is euro dollar going down? What is the correct answer? Oh, he's going to trick us, you know. If euro dollar going up, euro dollar going down, you know. Euro dollar is falling, but euro dollar going up. It doesn't have an uptrend on the 2-hour chart, but on the 5-minute charts making higher highs. I don't know, right? He's going to trick us, you know. Up. Well, not on the 2-hour chart, Alex. Where you see the dollar, it's going up on the 2-hour chart. Where do you see euro dollar going up? On the 2-hour chart. Oh, but it's a candle. A candle doesn't mean anything. Forex trading week. What is the purpose? We are trying to implement the rules and the concepts that we have learned so far. I will take a position in 5 minutes. Okay, long term is down, so wait for a short opportunity. See everybody, this is what is the lesson today. There is absolutely no right or wrong. If you would be a day trader or if you would be an intraday trader, you are long on the euro dollar. Makes sense? You are not short. Makes sense everybody? If you are a scalper, if you are a day trader or an intraday trader, you are long on euro dollar right now at this very moment. But if you are a swing trader or a long-term swing trader who is trading on the 4-hour chart or 2-hour chart, as Orkun said, you are going to wait for the market to reverse and wait to short the market. Alright, this is something valuable to learn, beginner traders, that there is no right or wrong. This is something valuable to learn, that you can check a broker and his analyst is telling you to buy euro dollar, and you can check another broker and another analyst is telling you to sell euro dollar. Make sense everybody? If you can understand this today, I've done my job. Make sense? There is no right or wrong. You can go short, you can go long. We've been telling you this from the very beginning. You have a trader who is buying euro dollar on the 5-minute chart with reason, and you have a trader who is waiting for the market to reverse to go short with reason, and both can win and both can lose. Make sense everybody? What would be an example of a losing trade, not trading based on rules? Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. Everybody, stop loss on the pattern, on the 5-minute short-term uptrend, stop loss in here. Make sense? If you put your stop loss in here, this is not the correct stop loss. Make sense everybody? Or the trader who is on the 4-hour chart, just an example, it's in the 4-hour chart, you know, and he said, oh, this candle, you know, hit past resistance in here, let's short the market. Well, this candle, number one, it's on the 4-hour chart and it's not closed yet, everybody, for starters, you know. And if this candle, you know, if you are shorting this candle, where should the stop loss go? Make sense? And somebody would say, well, the stop loss goes up in here, you know. Make sense everybody? Every single time that we are all the same, make sense? Every single time that we are not obeying the rules, we are doing stupid things. Make sense everybody? Until we are all the same, until we are ignorant, me too, okay? Until we are ignorant, it's okay. Once we are over the education part, we cannot be ignorant anymore. Make sense? If I've learned something, everybody, and institutional traders, so the John Doe and the Jean Paolo, who work in investment banks, hedge funds, brokers, institutional traders are making consistent money with reason. Make sense? They've learned the process, yes sir. And me and you and everybody else, we're all the same. We as beginner traders, until we don't learn But we can still lose. Everybody, this is an emotional skill. If you are going long on the 5-minute time frame, right, and you entered long and you put the stop loss down in here and the market stops you out, it's okay. Pat yourself on the back. How can this be okay? I lost money. You follow the pattern. It's okay. This is an emotional skill, yes sir. If the market goes down and stops you out, you didn't do anything wrong. You must get this straight into your head, everybody. You are going nowhere, makes sense if you don't get this straight? Pat yourself on the back. You didn't do anything wrong. You can see it on the chart. The market broke the pattern. Make sense? So you can go on USD CAD monthly chart. You can clearly see, everybody, we can clearly see that this market is in consolidation. You are going to go long somewhere in here on the daily chart, on the 1 hour chart, on the 2 hour chart, on the weekly chart, on the 15-minute chart. If the market breaks the pattern, which is consolidation, you didn't do anything wrong, makes sense? One more story and then we're going to finish for today. One more story, and I'm telling you this from experience. If you work, listen to this everybody, pay attention. If you would work in an institution and you would put this trade on, make sense? If you would put this trade on and the market would stop you out, your manager would not call you and nothing would change, make sense? But if you would go long on euro dollar on the 2 hour chart, right, long on consolidation, which is not confirmed yet, everybody, you know, and the market stops you out, then the manager would call you, would say, John or Joanne, come to office, you know, and you would say, yes sir, and he would say, you know, what is this? What did you put this trade on? What? Oh, but the other one lost. It doesn't matter. You are going to have losers anyway, everybody, makes sense? You must clean your head, everybody, of the expectation that you are going to be profitable 100%. You are not. Make sense, everybody? There are no, all over the world, there are no 100% profitable traders. Not even Warren Buffett, makes sense? Or I don't know who you know? And if it happens that you have a friend or somebody online on YouTube, we have 100% strategy, run, because it's a scam. Make sense? In conclusion for today, if you lose and you follow the rules, not a problem, pat yourself on the back. If you lose because you broke the rules, the manager is going to tell you, first warning, on the second warning you are fired. I went long on Eurodollar 5-minute chart on the short-term uptrend. Very good, excellent. Make sense, everybody? Nobody, I'm talking about institutions, right? Not just the financial markets, any job or any company, really, everybody. If you follow the rules and if you are stopped out, not a problem. Nobody's going to call you, nobody's going to judge you. But if we are all the same, if we do stupid things, then we are going to have a problem. Make sense? Okay. Alex, tell us where did you put the stop loss, and then we are going to finish for today. Tell us, Alex. And then we are going to finish for today. Okay, looks like Alex not answering everybody. So, see you back tomorrow with the Forex trading week part 5, okay? Come to class, everybody, with your charts analyzed and watch these webinars over and over and over again. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom, everybody. This is FX Freedom.